In this video, we are going to show you how to set up the email app on Shopify. If you want to add the email app, it's very fast, and setting it up is also not that complicated. Now, once you are in your dashboard, once you've signed in, what you want to do is click on the apps on the left-hand menu, like so. This pop-up will appear. Now, what you want to do is just type in email, right? Now, as of this recording, it is now called messaging. It's not called email anymore. It's called messaging. So what you want to do is click on messaging, like so. A new tab will appear on your browser. And then here, what you want to do is click on install, right? Click on install. A new tab will appear after that. And then here, another pop-up will appear. You also need to click install here. So click install again, like so. Now it is now installed on your Shopify account, right? So now that we're here, this is going to be what you're seeing for the first time, right? So you might be wondering, okay, well, how do I set it up? It's already set up. No, it's not yet. So it says here, last 30 days, email sent, up, open rate, conversion rate, so on and so forth. You have create automation and create campaign. It's not what you're looking for. What you want to do, again, go to your left on the menu under messaging. It says templates, right? So click on templates. Once you click on templates, you're going to see this for the first time. So create your first template, right? So what you want to do is click create template, and you're going to be brought to this page, which you'll see a lot of pre-made templates that you can use for your email campaign, right? So for example, we want to choose this one, right? Once you click or choose one template, a pop-up like this will appear. After that, just check, scroll down, see if this is actually what you want as a template. Click select. And after that, you're going to name your template, right? So for example, project 1, right? And then click save. Once it's saved, what you want to do now is you can now actually click on each element here, where you could just edit it as much as you want. You can customize it as much as you want. You can actually change photos, right? You can also add products, change titles, like everything you can do when it comes to customizing this email template for your email campaign. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.